Hello and welcome to Online Presence Mastery. My name is Matteo, and today I'm just going to make a brief video to get you an idea of why Google Search Console and the Bing Webmaster Tools are essential for your online presence. As you can see, this is my blog post on this precise subject. So what you do, if you haven't already done so, is go to Google Search Console, and once you log in, you're going to be presented with a page similar to this one. It's going to be empty. What you do is you want to add property, and once you do that, you type in your domain. Go through all these steps necessary. They're pretty straightforward. And once your domain has been verified, you're going to end up on the overview page. The important thing about this is to remember that you need to add a sitemap so that Google Search Console can index your website. And sitemaps are typically very straightforward. So what you would do is you would type in your domain, so https colon slash slash yourdomain.com. Now you're going to put in your own domain here, forward slash sitemap.xml, and then hit submit. What that does is it submits your sitemap, and then it is then available to be indexed on Google Search Console. You wait about a few hours, and if you have, or rather 24 or 48 hours, and if you already have content, it will start bringing up the queries and the impressions and the clicks that your site is generating on Google. In my case, my domain was purchased on the 23rd of September 2024, and then I added it to the Google Search Console on the 25th. And as you can see, on the 26th, I started getting impressions, and I got my first click on September 30th of 2024. So I encourage you to have a look. This is important because what you can do is you can see what your top queries are, and you can improve on them. And you can also see what pages are being clicked on, what ones are not. It's their search appearance, etc. And you can adjust your blog posts, your content accordingly. Again, quick video on that. Let me know if that helps. Have a nice day.